Today, I'd like to show you how to view your history of employee logins and also see what IP address they're logging in from. So it's really easy. The first thing you need to make sure is under Company, Employees. You go in and hit the dot, dot, dot menu, and you can simply click on the View Employee Log. What that shows you is any instance of an employee logging in, the date and time, as well as the IP address they're logging in from. The IP address is a good way to see if any employees are logging in remotely, if you allow that. Again, that's an optional setting that you can set to prevent outside IP addresses from accessing your core store. And there's a separate video for that. We'll put that in the link below the description to this video. But if you do allow remote logins, which a lot of people do, you want to sometimes check to see where an employee is logging from, and the IP address can give you that information. Obviously, you want to exclude your own IP address when you're looking at this. So if your store has a router, typically there'll be a single public IP address. I like just going into Google and saying, what's my IP address? You can also go, and it shows you immediately, this is the IP address from the location that you're at. That's our IP address here in the office. Again, if I go into, I can also type in IP chicken. That's another good one. That one has been around for years, and that will also give you that same information as far as what your IP address is. So those are two options that you can go to. But at the end of the day, what's important is you've got a full log. You can actually search that. You can search it by a specific employee. You can specify the date range to look at, and you can see all of the activity of employees logging in and out. Now, if you do not see this menu option, again, it's under Company, Employees, under the dot, dot, dot menu. If you do not see this option to view employee logs, make sure you go into the permissions for that particular employee. Again, you can go into permission templates if you're using templates, but what you would do is you would go into any specific employee. I've just got a generic one here, and you'll go down to the employee settings, click on that, and make sure you give access to view employee logs. So that's all you need to do. If for some reason you have an employee, a manager, let's say, that you want to make sure they have access to the employee logs, by default, it will be turned off for all employees except the actual admin/owner of the store. If you have any further questions, please let us know. Hit us up at help.coreware.com or right in your chat window within CoreStore. Thank you for watching this video.